back to another video. Today it is day 12 on hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today's topic is linear algebra for data science. There are many concepts that are required for data science when we consider about linear algebra, and some of them are lines and planes, which is very important topic, and it is useful for us when we are learning linear regression and logistic regression. Matrices is very important, and it is useful when we are understanding concepts such as TCA, comma, to perform matrices. We use the Python package called NumPy, and NumPy has some built-in functions in it so that matrices can be easily performed with it. In matrices, we have to know some basic operations on matrices, like how to add, subtract, multiply, and multiplication of matrix is very important. And representing a matrix form, like, so let's take a 2 by 2 matrix. A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and representing it is A11, A22, and we need to know rows and columns. The first number represents rows and the second number represents the columns when solving some of the problems in mathematics. And row echelon form is very important. And we also have to know about solving inverse of matrix, and we use inverse in data science a lot. And we also know how to calculate eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and also learning vectors is very important. And yeah, that's all for today. And today we looked at what are all the concepts in linear algebra that are useful for data science. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 13.